Imagine a world where the Soviet Union had colonized Venus. Sounds far-fetched, right? But it's closer to the truth than you might think. The Cold War era was much more than a political and military standoff. It was a race for technological supremacy, a race to the stars. Stepping into the uncharted territory of space exploration, the Soviet Union left an indelible mark on history. It all started with Sputnik, the world's first artificial satellite. Launched in October of 1957, Sputnik didn't just orbit the Earth, it orbited the collective consciousness of humanity. It was a shining beacon of what was possible, a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of the human spirit. But the Soviets didn't stop there. They continued to push the boundaries of what was conceivable. Soon they would send the first living creature into orbit. This was Laika, a small stray dog from Moscow who would become a symbol of the risks and sacrifices inherent in the quest for knowledge and progress. The Soviet Union was also the first to ignite a rocket in Earth's orbit, another groundbreaking achievement that showcased their technological prowess. And let's not forget Luna 2, the first man-made object to touch the surface of the moon. These were all monumental firsts, not just for the Soviet Union, but for all of humanity. All these achievements, however, were not just about prestige. They were part of a larger narrative, a fierce competition with the United States. The space race was a direct reflection of the Cold War, with each superpower striving to outdo the other, to prove their technological and ideological supremacy. This intense rivalry set the stage for what would become one of the most ambitious endeavors of the Soviet space program, the exploration of Venus. As Earth's closest planetary neighbor, Venus was a tantalizing target, a world shrouded in mystery and ripe for investigation. The space race was a hotbed of competition and innovation, setting the stage for the Soviet Union's daring exploration of Venus. Now let's dive into the fascinating story of the Venera missions, the Soviet Union's bold attempt to uncover the secrets of our sister planet. Venus, Earth's sinister twin, was the Soviet Union's next challenge. The Venera missions, a series of robotic spacecrafts, were launched by the Soviet Union with the objective of studying Venus, our neighboring planet. These missions were ambitious, aiming to pierce the veil of Venus's enigmatic and hostile atmosphere. Venera 1 and 2, the initial attempts, were met with significant challenges. Venera 1, launched in February of 1961, was our first attempt to probe Venus. Unfortunately, the spacecraft lost contact with Earth and missed Venus by a staggering 62,000 miles. A testament to the difficulties of early space navigation. Venera 2, launched later the same year, shared a similar fate. It managed to reach Venus but went silent upon approach. It was a stark reminder of the immense challenges posed by space exploration, especially when venturing into the unknown territories of a planet with such a hostile environment. However, the Soviet Union was not deterred by these initial setbacks. They forged ahead, driven by the spirit of discovery and the desire to understand our universe better. The subsequent missions saw considerable improvements, with each failure serving as a stepping stone to eventual success. One of the most significant advances was in the development of heat-resistant materials and landing systems. These improvements paved the way for successful landings on Venus and the transmission of valuable data back to Earth. The Soviet Union's unwavering commitment to exploring Venus led to a better understanding of the planet's atmospheric conditions and topography. What's fascinating about these missions is not just the scientific knowledge gained, but the resilience and ingenuity they embodied. Each failure was a lesson learned, each success a testament to human perseverance in the face of adversity. Despite initial setbacks, the Venera missions soldiered on, making groundbreaking discoveries about our celestial neighbor. The Soviet Union's exploration of Venus stands as a remarkable chapter in the history of space exploration, a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. The Venera missions were not just about reaching Venus, they were about understanding it. The Soviet Union's exploration of our neighboring planet is a tale of technological advancements and groundbreaking discoveries. The Venera missions, despite their challenges, made significant strides in uncovering the mysteries of Venus. One of the most notable discoveries was made by Venera 4. Initially thought to have landed on Venus, it actually disintegrated in the planet's atmosphere. However, this failure turned out to be a blessing in disguise. The data transmitted during its descent revealed that Venus lacked a magnetic field, and had an atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide. This discovery painted a picture of Venus as an anti-Earth, a world vastly different from our own. But the Venera missions didn't stop there. The seventh mission, Venera 7, was a landmark achievement. It marked the first successful soft landing on another planet. The data it sent back was startling, revealing a surface temperature around 900 degrees Fahrenheit and an atmospheric pressure 90 times that of Earth's. These findings challenged previous speculations of Venus as an Earth-like planet and highlighted the extreme conditions that exist there. The technological advancements made during these missions were equally impressive. The Soviet scientists had to overcome the extreme heat and pressure of Venus's atmosphere. They developed heat-resistant materials and innovative landing systems that not only survived the harsh conditions but also successfully transmitted data back to Earth. The Venera missions were a testament to human ingenuity and determination. They pushed the boundaries of what was technologically possible at the time and paved the way for future space exploration. These missions were not just about reaching Venus, they were about understanding it, about delving into the mysteries of our solar system. They exemplified the spirit of exploration, of pushing beyond our known boundaries, and of striving for knowledge even in the face of immense challenges. The Venera missions rewrote our understanding of Venus, painting a picture of a hostile world unlike our own. From the ashes of the Venera missions rose a new controversy, one that might hint at life on Venus. This controversy centers around the elusive compound called phosphine. Now, phosphine is interesting because here on Earth it's often associated with organic decay. So, when scientists detected traces of this gas in Venus's atmosphere, it sparked a heated debate about the possibility of life on our sister planet. The discovery of phosphine was initially met with excitement, with many scientists suggesting that this could be a sign of biological activity. The idea was that, just as on Earth, the phosphine on Venus might be the result of organic decay, hinting at the existence of some form of life. But as with any scientific discovery, there were skeptics. Some argued that the phosphine could be the result of non-biological processes. Others questioned the reliability of the data, suggesting that the detection of phosphine might have been a false positive. Enter NASA's Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, or SOFIA. This airborne observatory took a closer look at Venus's atmosphere and found that if phosphine does exist on Venus, it's in far smaller quantities than initially reported. This finding, while not completely ruling out the possibility of life on Venus, certainly cast doubt on the phosphine discovery. This back and forth over phosphine underscores the complexities of space exploration and the challenges of interpreting data from distant worlds. It also highlights the importance of continued research and verification as the search for life beyond Earth continues. So where does this leave us? Well, the phosphine controversy is far from over. Scientists are still studying the data, and future missions to Venus might provide more definitive answers. For now, though, the debate rages on, keeping the scientific community and space enthusiasts on their toes. The phosphine controversy reminds us that the mystery of Venus is far from solved. Despite the advancements we've made, the second planet from the Sun continues to intrigue and mystify us, prompting us to keep exploring and seeking answers to the universe's most compelling questions. Newly declassified Soviet photos of Venus have rekindled interest in this enigmatic planet. These photographs, taken during the Venera missions, offer a tantalizing glimpse of Venus's landscape, a world marked by volcanic activity and what appear to be signs of water erosion. These intriguing features have prompted scientists to delve deeper into understanding the planet's past and present conditions. The images, sharp and revealing, show Venus's surface in a new light. Volcanic formations reminiscent of those found on Earth hint at a dynamic history of geological activity. The suggestion of water erosion, however, is particularly compelling. On Earth, water is a crucial element of life as we know it. Could these signs of erosion on Venus imply that water, and perhaps even life, once existed there? While these photos fuel the ongoing debate about the possibility of life on Venus, they also underscore the planet's harsh realities. With temperatures around 900 degrees Fahrenheit and atmospheric pressure 90 times that of Earth, Venus is a world of extremes. It's a place where metals melt and the air crushes, a far cry from the Earth-like conditions once imagined. And yet, the allure of Venus endures. Despite the focus of space exploration shifting towards Mars and more distant celestial bodies, Venus continues to captivate our curiosity. It's a testament to our enduring fascination with the unknown, our relentless quest to push the boundaries of knowledge. As we look to the future, the lessons learned from the Soviet Union's Venera missions remain invaluable. They remind us of the challenges that lie ahead in space exploration, but also of the potential rewards. The quest to unlock the secrets of Venus, to determine whether life could exist in such extreme conditions, continues to be a driving force in our exploration of the cosmos. While the question of life on Venus remains open, the journey to unravel its mysteries continues to captivate us.